にちは。
こんにちは。
なにです。
マニです。文法語へようこそ。文法語では教科書通りではなく、本当に使える日本語を勉強します。
Today is JLPT N5 and the grammar point is
てください。
So when you first start learning Japanese, the first way you learn to ask people please is the te form. After you learn the te form, you learn te kudasai, which means please do something. And in the lesson, you're taught this is a really polite way to say please do something, like mado wa akete kudasai or something like that. But I've noticed that since I've been working in a Japanese company, nobody says te kudasai, and if somebody does use it, it seems to get kind of a negative reaction from people. So is it really that polite?
Oh, it's kind of a difficult question, but actually, てください sounds a bit strong. There are no choice for the person who was asked the question. So I think you should use てくれませんか?
Right.
It's more polite.
So when you say 何々してください, it means please do this. You have no choice to say no. So it's more like a teacher saying, like 教科書を開けてください. So I think the reason they teach it so early in the lesson is so that the teacher can give you instructions. So you should never use it when you're talking to a joshi, superior person.
No, we never say that. And maybe the situation we say てください is you are ordering something to the lower person in some business situation, like in the company or something like that.
So you should only use it if you're a superior over someone. And even then, better to say してくれませんか? Could you
it's
please
better.
do that? なるほど. So what if you're asking someone really close to you to do something? Like, please do that for me.
まあ
Close friends or partner.
If it's partner, you can say, 例えば for example, これ買ってくれる? But it still sounds a bit too frank. So for me, like my parents told me, you can't use くれる a lot to the other people because it sounds a bit rude. If it's your partner, it's okay. But if it's your friend and she or he is not like enough close to you,
Right.
if you say like くれる a lot, it sounds a bit rude.
Okay.
教科書を開けてください。これを買ってくれる？窓を開けてくれませんか？